Alright guys, welcome to the Tuesday Directions video. Today is a pretty simple day if you're at home, so if you're an online person or if you are a Monday, Wednesday person, you're just going to continue to review today and you will take your quiz tomorrow. So if you're a full distance learning person or if you're a temporary distance learning person or a Monday, Wednesday person, you'll take the quiz tomorrow. So you have an extra day to kind of review the flashcards, review the review guide, go through the readings again to make sure you didn't miss anything. Um, but yeah, just one final day to kind of put everything together. So tomorrow you'll take the quiz. If you're an online person, you'll see the quiz go live somewhere around like right now, probably like 8:30. It'll be live 8:39. It'll be live, and it'll be live until 3. So you have the whole day to take it. Um, Before I just had it for your hour and no one showed up, so a lot of people missed the quiz. So on you guys, but I'll succeed and I'll make it available all day. So there's no excuses then. All right, so all on chapter 3. Obviously, you have the readings all. If you scroll down to chapter 3. You got all the readings right here, and that's where I took all the questions from, so if you're curious. But that's it, guys. Just have a good day studying, and then tomorrow it's go time, and after that, like I said, we'll be just watching Twister to end the trimester. November 18th, last day to turn in assignments. It is tomorrow at midnight. No more late work. All of them flip to zeros. So if you got late work, you got basically all of today and tonight, all of tomorrow, up until tomorrow night at midnight. And then that's it. So have a good day, guys.